Hi there, I'm Jeff from the Rubi UK team. I'm here to talk to you about the Rubi Scraper for removing your grout from wall tiles, floor tiles, mosaics. If you've got a regrouting job, this is the tool to use. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. We'll open the box up, and as you can see, it comes with two blades, 1.5 and a 3mm. You can also get a 4mm and a 2mm, which are sold separately, okay, but they don't come with the machine. So let's take the machine out and we'll have a look at the machine. So it's easy to use. You've got your locking device, so you take your blade, stick your blade in the end of the machine, lock it off, and that's ready to use, ready to go. And your 3 speeds on your switch. Just to let you know, when using the 1.5mm blade, please only use it on the first speed, because you will damage the blade and you'll have to replace it. Okay, so just to show you something with the machine, when removing your grout from the tiles, you have to go in a straight motion all the way down. When you get to the end of your tiles, use the tip of the blade to dig the grout out. Once you've done that in a straight motion, then come back, go at an angle down one side to clean the grout, and then take it back and go down the other side to clean the grout out. That will clean everything out for you, ready for regrouting. As I say, please remember 1.5 only on the first speed, otherwise you'll be replacing your blade. That's the machine. We do recommend knee pads, dust mask, gloves and goggles when using the machine, so you don't get bits and pieces in your eyes. That's the Rubi Scraper. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you've got any questions, please contact us on social media or our website rubi.com. Thank you very much. Goodbye.